Hey everyone, this is Kasim from PHPTRAVELS, and in this video we are going to learn about the Stuba integration, how it works with the PHP Travels, how we can obtain the API keys and all these things. So let's just get in. So first of all, we have to understand what is a Stuba. So basically, it's the hotel supplier. It has one of the largest hotels inventory in the travel industry. So you can just explore more about them, go to their website and study how they work and what is their behavior. Now let's just see the prerequisites before getting started. To work with the Stuba, what do we need? First of all, we have to contact a Stuba. I will just go through the website as well. So we need to have the credentials. It's the organization, username and password. And then we must have PHP Travels deployed on localhost or maybe on the live server, doesn't matter. Then we must have the license from PHP Travels. And on the last, we have to request for the production API keys from tech support at stuba.com. That we can do it later. So right now, let's just go to the Stuba website. So this is the website of Stuba. You can explore the website and know more about them. How do they work? What kind of inventory they have, and what is their supporting time zone. And after that, once you see it's familiar to your business and you want to work with the Stuba, you can just click on the sign up. On the sign up, they have this form. You just need to set up a sign up like with your company name, contact name, designation, country, address, etc., etc., and move to the next and you complete this form. Once you complete this form, within maybe 1 and 2 days, you will get the contact details from someone from Stuba will going to contact you and you can obtain the API keys. And once you got the API keys, you just need to log into your admin panel and then go to the modules. From modules, hit hotels, and from hotels make sure the status is enabled, and then click on the settings. And then in the settings we have three credentials, is the credential 1, 2 and 3. The first one, we have to add the organization, and then we have a username, and in the end we have the password. And make sure that only these things are required, and make sure it's the development mode before we are going to the production. And by default you can use any other currency if they are supporting. Make sure check on the documentation. Otherwise use USD. This is the most recommended one. And once you're done with all these settings, just hit the submit button. Once you save, click on the to see your front end of the website, and then move to the hotels. From hotels, select any destination. In my case, I'm just selecting Dubai, and I'm going to search. And now you can see all this result is coming from Stuba API. And you can also see we have this supplier details called Stuba, and we see this only because we have logged as an admin. If you are not logged as an admin, nobody can see this. And once you see the inventory, you can simply just click on the details to see how the hotel details page is going to look like. So you can see hotel images and your search criteria over here, and then click on the view rooms. So there is no rooms in this hotel. Let's go back and maybe we select another hotel to see if they have the room inventory, because the API, the feed is coming live from the APIs. So let's just give it a few minutes, maybe seconds. Yeah, so we can see it's loading now. So yeah, we have now loaded all the rooms. We can select any number of room if it's available more than one. For example, let's select a standard room, click on book now. By the way, before proceeding with the booking, you must add your markups because they will going to give you the net rates. So once you activate your Stuba, make sure from the markups hotels, and then add your markup depending for the B2C and B2B. But from module ID, select Stuba and save it, so that you get the merge price with the commission of markup. So here we go for the booking. Once we get the room details and everything, just complete the booking form. It just takes a few seconds because there is an email and notification you can see. So now we have everything done. The timer is running out, so your customer has to pay based on the payment gateways you have enabled. So we can see all the booking details are over here. We have booked successfully this room. And once the customer make the payment, they can see the booking PNR as well over here. So it's a very simple procedure to work with this Stuba. Just contact these guys, and we will also try to add their emails in this video. And if you have any issues, any problems, you can just submit support ticket and we will help you with that. I hope this video was very easy for you to understand. If there is any questions, you can just let us know. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.